Gdynia, a vibrant and modern coastal city located in the Pomeranian voivodeship of Poland, is a captivating destination that seamlessly combines maritime heritage, contemporary culture, and stunning waterfront landscapes. Renowned for its bustling port, cultural events, and dynamic atmosphere, Gdynia offers visitors a diverse range of experiences that cater to history enthusiasts, art aficionados, beach lovers, and anyone seeking a lively coastal escape. Gdynia's maritime legacy is evident in its thriving port, which serves as one of the busiest in the Baltic Sea region. The city's coastline is lined with shipyards, marinas, and promenades, providing a bustling and picturesque scene that reflects its seafaring history. The Dar Pomorza, a historic tall ship, stands as a maritime museum and iconic symbol of Gdynia's connection to the sea. The city's modernity is complemented by a vibrant cultural scene. The Gdynia Film Festival, one of the oldest film events in Europe, celebrates cinematic achievements and draws filmmakers and enthusiasts from around the world. The musical theater, known for its impressive productions, showcases a range of theatrical performances and musicals that cater to diverse tastes. Gdynia's beachfront is a major draw for visitors. The city offers a picturesque coastline with sandy shores, beachside cafes, and recreational areas that invite both relaxation and outdoor activities. Sopot and Gdansk, neighboring cities within the Touroopi metropolitan area, are easily accessible and provide additional opportunities for exploration and entertainment. The Kosciuszko Square, Gdynia's central hub, is surrounded by cafes, shops, and cultural venues, making it a perfect place for people watching and soaking in the city's urban energy. The Gdynia Aquarium offers a glimpse into the underwater world of the Baltic Sea and its diverse marine life. Gdynia's modern architecture is a testament to its dynamic spirit. The Sea Towers, one of the tallest residential buildings in Poland, provides panoramic views of the city and the sea. The Emigration Museum pays homage to the millions of Poles who migrated to other countries, offering an immersive and emotional experience. The city's culinary scene offers a range of dining experiences, from traditional Polish dishes to international cuisine. Local restaurants and cafes provide an opportunity to savor the flavors of the region while enjoying the sea breeze. Whether you're exploring maritime history, immersing yourself in cultural events, enjoying beachfront relaxation, savoring local cuisine, or simply embracing the lively atmosphere of the city, Gdynia offers an unforgettable and immersive experience that captures the essence of Poland's coastal charm, modernity, and vibrant spirit, leaving an indelible mark on all who venture into its captivating embrace.